Hello guys, I'm gonna take you with me. I'm gonna go outside now on a trip. Look at this weather first. It's gray, but we're loving it. Put on the hat, so let's go. It's a fucking peacock over there. What the fuck? And a fucking mini little beach camping. Some flamingos too. Yeah, maybe they're kind people, or we don't know. They're using this stick like an old lady to go to the woods. Damn old. I was walking over to this mountain, over there. I was fucking dying over there. Old lady, you know, she cannot handle that. We're going here soon. Thank you for joining me in the woods. Ooh. Okay, let's go. Now we're in the spooky forest with the spooky house over there. Okay, it's not spooky. Let's go. Scary place. Okay. Beautiful. They look like look at a face with a nose and a mouth and the right? What the fuck is it coming? Is it coming? This man coming? Is this mouth no man? Is this place a man place? Oh no. Oh no. Fuck me. Scary. Oh. Ah. Ah. It's scary up there. I was lying, it's not scary. It's pretty over here. Water. Not the beach. Oh. So the nature just said, go home. And look what they did with my umbrella. Fucked it up, you know? They said just go home. Alright. Alright. I will go home. I ruined the umbrella. I did not ruin it. It was the mountain over the man over there did it. Hey umbrella.